Changing your payout method on GetAround is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you receive your earnings through your preferred method. Step 1. Log in. Access your GetAround account by visiting the website or opening the app. Enter your credentials to log in. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings. This is usually found in the profile or menu section, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings, look for the option labeled payout methods or payment settings. Click on this option to view your current payout method. Step 4. Update your payout method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout information, ensure you save the changes. Look for a confirmation message to verify that your new payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on GetAround. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to their customer support for assistance.